Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into different 3D printing materials. We'll cover their unique properties, the challenges they present, and the top tips to help you get the best results. Let's get started. First up, we have PLA. PLA is one of the most popular 3D printing materials, and for good reason. Biodegradable, derived from renewable resources, and it's incredibly easy to print with. To get the best results with PLA, make sure to use painter's tape or a heated bed set around 60 degrees for better adhesion. And don't forget to use a cooling fan to prevent stringing and improve overhangs. Post-processing is a breeze with PLA. You can sand, paint, and even use a heat gun to smooth your prints. Just remember, PLA can be brittle, so avoid using it for high-stress applications and keep it dry, as it can absorb moisture through the air. Next, let's talk about ABS. ABS is known for its durability and impact resistance, but it comes with its own sets of challenges. ABS prints at higher temperatures, around 220 to 250 degrees Celsius, and is prone to warping. To combat this, use a heater bed set between 90 and 110 degrees Celsius, and print in an enclosure to keep the temperature stable. For a bed adhesion, try using ABS slurry, Kapton tape, or any specialized adhesion. ABS can be smoothed using acetone vapor, giving your prints a nice, glossy finish. Just remember to print in a well-ventilated area, as ABS produces fumes that you don't want to inhale. Now, let's move on to PETG. PETG offers a great balance of strength and flexibility, making it a favorite for many makers. PETG prints at temperatures around 220 to 250 degrees Celsius and has minimal warping. For best results, use a heated bed set to around 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. To reduce stringing, optimize your retraction settings and use moderate cooling. One common issue with PETG is stringing, but with the right settings you can minimize this and achieve great prints. Just be careful with bed adhesion, as PETG can stick a bit too well. Let's take a look at some specialty filaments like TPU, Nylon, and Carbon Fiber-Infused. Starting with TPU. TPU is highly flexible and durable, printing at around 220 to 240 degrees Celsius. To avoid jamming, print at slower speeds, around 20 to 30 millimeters per second, and use a direct drive extruder. Minimal cooling is required for TPU. Nylon is another fantastic filament, known for its strength and flexibility. It prints at 240 to 260 degrees Celsius, and needs to be kept dry to maintain its print quality. Use a heated bed at 80 to 100 degrees Celsius and an enclosure to reduce warping. Finally, we have carbon fiber-infused filaments. These are incredibly stiff and durable, but they're also abrasive. Use hardened steel or a ruby nozzle to prevent wear. Print at lower layer heights for a smoother finish and use a heated bed at around 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. That's all for today's video. I hope these tips help you get the best out of your 3D printing projects. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more 3D printing tips and tricks. See you next time.